Hey everyone, it's James at Eurevo, New York's #1 commission rebate brokerage with our June 2024 Manhattan market update. And there's not too much to report on this month. Everything kind of stayed the same. Demand remains lackluster, inventory is down just slightly, and mortgage rates are in a pretty tight range. So first on contract activity, we were down 3% year over year. But if you watch us every month, you know that we like to compare this to normalized levels of demand. And versus that metric, it's a little bit of improvement, but nothing really material. For the last 3 or 4 months, we've been bouncing around slightly below average levels. But what I do think is interesting is the lower end of the market is the standout to the downside. We are down 16% there, and that's despite a 12% increase in the number of listings on the market. So normally, when you have more supply of something, you also sell more of it. But here we're getting a double whammy where we have more supply and less demand. Presumably that is because of affordability challenges. So the two things that we're going to be watching going forward: one, does this continue, because these metrics by price point can be pretty erratic on a month-to-month basis. And then two, does this spread to the higher price points where affordability is less of a factor? Looking at the market overall, we are down 1% on the number of listings on the market. That is the smallest decline in the last year. However, we are also lapping the declines that just started this time last year. So when you lap declines become more difficult. So that's not too unusual. But this is what I was referencing before, where the lower end of the market was up 12%. So does that spill into other price points? Does it continue? TBD. And then the mortgage rates. They remain in a pretty tight range. Mortgage rates well, the 10-year treasury was pretty erratic this month. This smooths things out on a weekly basis, so you don't see that here. But the conclusion is a little bit lower. We're in the high 6s, so nothing really material on the mortgage rate front. But that's it. We're in the middle of the summer, pretty slow. It's a seasonally slow time of the year, so if you are in the market, if you are thinking about buying, now is a good time to do so. You do have a little bit more leverage on your side. So you can reach out to us at info@eurevo.com, and we'd be happy to help and get you a commission rebate for up to 2% on any property in New York City. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next month. Bye.